Did you know that the damage from staring at screens all day doesn't stop when you finally look away? The blue light exposure creates oxidative stress that continues to affect your eye cells for hours afterwards. But what if you could actively counter this damage while you're fast asleep, using one of nature's most delicious solutions? It turns out that your body's nightly repair cycle is the perfect opportunity to deliver targeted nutrients that support and protect your vision. By choosing the right fruits before bed, you're providing your eyes with the essential building blocks they need to recover from daily wear and tear. When you sleep, your body isn't just resting, it's in full restoration mode. This is when cellular repair peaks, and your eyes, which have been working hard all day, finally get the attention they need. The key is to consume specific fruits that contain powerful antioxidants and vitamins proven to support ocular health. These nutrients travel through your system during the night, helping to protect delicate eye tissues and combat the effects of blue light exposure. Let's explore 4 remarkable fruits that can make a significant difference. First, consider the kiwi fruit. This small, fuzzy fruit packs an incredible nutritional punch for eye health. Kiwis are loaded with both lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that accumulate in the macula, the part of your eye responsible for central vision. Think of these compounds as natural sunglasses that filter harmful blue light. Additionally, kiwis are one of the richest sources of vitamin C, which helps maintain the health of blood vessels in the eyes and supports collagen production in the cornea. Eating just 1 kiwi before bed provides a powerful combination of nutrients that work together to protect your vision. Next, let's talk about oranges. While most people know oranges for their vitamin C content, few realize how crucial this vitamin is for eye health. Your eyes contain the highest concentration of vitamin C of any body part outside the adrenal glands. This antioxidant helps regenerate other antioxidants in the eye and protects against cataract formation. The bioflavonoids in oranges also strengthen the capillaries that deliver nutrients to your retinal cells. A small orange or a glass of fresh orange juice in the evening can significantly boost your ocular protection overnight. Our third fruit might surprise you: goji berries. These bright red berries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for eye health for centuries, and modern science now confirms their benefits. Goji berries contain exceptionally high levels of zeaxanthin, which gives them their vibrant color. Research published in the journal Nutrients found that regularly consuming goji berries increased the density of protective pigments in the macula. This enhanced pigment layer helps filter harmful light and protects against age-related vision issues. A small handful of these dried berries makes for an perfect evening snack. Finally, don't overlook apricots, especially when they're in season. These golden fruits are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for good vision. It helps maintain a clear cornea and is a component of rhodopsin, a protein in your eyes that allows you to see in low-light conditions. Apricots also contain vitamin C and E, creating a powerful antioxidant combination that helps protect your eyes from free radical damage throughout the night. To incorporate these fruits into your routine, simply choose one of these options and enjoy it about an hour before bedtime. You could have a fresh kiwi sliced into a small bowl, a handful of goji berries mixed with some yogurt, a fresh orange, or a few apricots. The goal is consistency rather than quantity. Making this a regular habit allows these protective nutrients to build up in your system. Remember that while these fruits provide excellent nutritional support, they work best as part of a comprehensive eye health strategy that includes regular breaks from screens and proper eye protection when outdoors. Your eyes work tirelessly for you from the moment you wake up. Giving them this nightly boost of targeted nutrition is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to support their health and function. If you found these insights helpful, we'd be grateful if you'd join our community by subscribing for more science-backed health strategies that help you work with your body's natural rhythms.